Hello friends, we can see the Madhyamik Examinations 2026 Geography question paper solved. First of all, Group 1's write the correct answer from the given alternatives. First, the main source of the energy of the exogenetics process, the solar energy, and second, the deep cracks formed on the surface of mountain and glacier are called the crevasse. The first sub-layers of the heterospheres is the molecules and nitrogen layers, and just against you can see 1.4 the snow of the northern slopes of the Alps mountains and melts due to the local swines known as the fawn. Sargasso Sea is the observed in the alternative questions, and 1.6 the regular rise and falls in the levels of the ocean water on the earth's surface, and due to the gravitational attractions of the moons and suns is the cause high tides, and among the following one is not considered as the part of the 3 R's waste management's rearrange. And 1.8 you can see the name of the present capital of Andhra Pradesh is the Amaravati, and the Himalayan range of the located in the Kashmir is the Janskar. Just against 1.10 the first multi-purpose reverse valley project on the independent India is the Damodar Valley projects. 1.11 in India, the crops that are cultivated during the dry summer seasons are called the Zaid crops. The guys, if you first time watch my channels, then you subscribe my channels and push the bell buttons icons, because we provide the solved video and last minute suggestions of all subjects, and you can find my channels 1 to 10 class all subjects video, and then just you go again 11s and 12s, you also see the arts group subjects provide some materials. So please subscribe my channels and put the bell icon buttons. Just again we can see 1.12 an example a heavy engineering industry in India is locomotive industry, and just 1.30 the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is located at the Mumbai. In the satellite imaginary dense forest is shown by the colors the dark reds. Just again group B we can see if the statement is the true and write true, and if the false write F. Again the following any 6 yani the first 2.1 scientist Bangonolds named the transverbs and sand dunes are the Barkhans falls. In the mesosphere temperature increase within the increase of altitude, yet true. Jet streams is the example of the geostrophic winds falls. The right angles of the position of the suns and motion is the respect of the earth is called the Sisgi falls. Just 1.15 the latest popular state of India is the Goa. Yes, no. And mangroves forest grow on the saline soils of coastal region is true, and satellite imaginaries are not prepared according to the scales false. So guys, please you comment in this comment box ki how can your exams will be completed, or how can you wants to last time suggestions. The 2.2, fill in the blanks with suitable words. And 6, the elevations of the lands departures, तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आपका decreasings due to the degradation. 2.2.2, the plains formed in the desert of the dispositional work of the water with winds is called the pediments. In the temperature rainfall graph, if the temperature curves of the place slopes downwards in the middle of the years, the place will be located in the south hemispheres. 2.2.4, the secondary tides forms of the antipodal sides of the primary tides is the same times. 2.2.5, the air conditioning machine realizing the CFC gas in the atmosphere. Which gas? The CFC. And 2.2.6, the grassland of the lying on the west Aravalli is called the Frohu. And 2.7, the process of the decompositions of the organic waste of the microwaves is called the composing. 2.3, name of the unit used to the measure of the discharge of the river scale, the Q6. What is the percentage of the relative humidity of the situations here? The 100%. Which types of the ocean current flow from the polar regions, the colds, and the presence of the which toxic waste is the human body causes the Minamata disease, the mercury. Name of the method of the irrigations mostly practiced in India, the well and ponds. Where is the India northwest monsoon is wind, the Coromandel? What is the position of India in the used to the internet system? Seconds. By which types of lines, altitudes of lands in snow, the topographical maps? Please provide your answers in the comment box. Or 2.4, guys, you can see the let the match column A with column B, yani left column with right columns. Chota Nagpur's match to Parasnath Hills and Assam, Bodo Isila or Himalaya pines and Chikmagalur coffees. Just you can see group C. Some questions are so easy, or our notes will be provides last minute suggestions. You can see see my video how many questions are just match with 2026 geography question papers, because we also provides our students last minute suggestions and some solved video. So if you want to some solved video and last minute suggestion, then you subscribe my channels and pull the bell icon buttons, because if I upload any videos for you, your notification will be get so fast. So guys, bye and take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.